If you use Pipedrive as your CRM, tracking your deals on a spreadsheet tool like Google Sheets helps you keep a detailed record of their progression. Take the help of Automate.io to get you started with that as soon as possible. Automate.io is a simple tool that connects your favorite web apps and automates your tedious manual work so that you can spend your time working on the things that matter to you. To begin, visit this page, click the Use Case box, and then click the Get Started button. You will see the Add Account screen. Here, you will connect your Google Sheets and Pipedrive accounts to Automate.io. Let's go ahead and enter our account credentials. And remember, we always keep your data secure with bank-level encryption. Alright, our apps are connected. Now let's build this automation, also called a bot. First, let's focus on Pipedrive. It's our trigger app which starts our bot. This bot triggers every time there is a new deal in our selected event. And while on this subject, Pipedrive has a lot more triggers here that can come in handy for other use cases, so don't forget to check them out. Now let's move over to Google Sheets. It's the action app that performs our desired action. In this case, we want to add details in a new Google Sheets row for every new Pipedrive deal that comes in. And just like Pipedrive, there are a lot more actions here that can come in handy for other use cases, so make sure you check them out as well. And now it's time to map our fields. Okay, we're all finished mapping, but there is one more thing to note. These fields right here are from the columns in your Google spreadsheet. If you have more columns, you can map your new registration to those fields as well. We've now set up our bot. Click Next, and let's go test it out. Okay, now come back to your Automate.io dashboard. All right, looks good. Let's go check our Google spreadsheet. And there you go. Your bot will now run in the background and do all this work for you. So Automate.io will automatically copy all of your deal information directly to your Google spreadsheet. So if you'd like to try out this bot, click the link in the description to get started quickly. And remember, we're available 24/5 on our in-app chat, or you can email us directly at help@automate.io. And don't forget to subscribe to us.